Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have administrator rights and a stable connection. This prevents permission errors. Next, pick a trusted VPN with OpenVPN or WireGuard because those protocols balance speed and security. Once decided, download the provider app or the Vpn/conf files for Windows 10 or 11. Make sure to save credentials securely. Start the installer now and follow prompts. The installer sets the necessary virtual network adapter, so Windows can route traffic through the VPN. You now configure the connection. Import the Vpn file or manually add server address and pick UDP for speed or TCP for reliability. Once done, enable the kill switch and auto-connect on startup to prevent leaks when the VPN drops. Also turn on DNS leak protection so queries go through the tunnel. Make sure to select a server by region and low latency. Test with ping or traceroute to confirm routes go through the VPN and not your ISP. You connect and immediately verify by checking your public IP and running a DNS leak test to confirm traffic is tunneled. If services are blocked, try a different server or protocol. WireGuard or TCP often resolves issues. Once connected, make sure auto start and the kill switch function by restarting Windows. If problems persist, review client logs for auth or routing errors, switch servers, flush DNS, or reinstall the virtual adapter. As a last resort troubleshooting tip, reset network settings to restore.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.